My name is Fay Niewiadomski, and I'm the founder and the CEO of International Consulting and Transformation Network, LLP UK. We have been in the business of developing leadership potential for over 40 years, and we focus on areas that are vital to leadership development. The first is leadership and the leadership team. Second is impactful leadership communication. And third is business EQ. Today, more than ever before, we need to liberate the greatness of leadership. Awakening the power of leadership is our mission. Now, more than ever, we need to awaken leaders to liberate their greatness because we can see the tremendous bankruptcy of leadership and the impact it's having on us globally. We are living in a new era. COVID has changed the way we live and work. Employee engagement has declined. 70% of the workforce either hates their job or is disengaged. Many attribute their discontent to poor leadership. Because great leadership is the chemistry that combines competence, courage, and compassion into the rarest and most precious resource for the sustainability of our world, and it is sorely lacking. People need to trust their leaders, always, especially now. Your workforce will trust your leaders if those leaders demonstrate their care for each individual, the community, and humanity as a whole. Beyond caring, leaders must show they have a plan to address the mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects. Leaders need to be transparent about what's driving decisions. So, what is leadership really? The ability to imagine a future that doesn't yet exist, figure out how to realize it, and then communicate it clearly and convincingly so others are inspired to commit to making it happen. And then reimagine the next one. But how? It starts with designing learning experiences that create results. We created an ER simulation at a hospital that moved the team from 0 to 17 conditions resolved. We taught charismatic public speaking to hundreds of staff at J&J who now feel confident to talk about their subject and compel others to follow. Trained surgeons and key opinion leaders to be impactful in teaching other medical doctors. Our new program is the 4 Journeys of a Leader: the Personal Odyssey, Walk with Lions, Ascent of the Warrior, Dance of the Magician. So each journey pushes the boundaries a little further to engage you in mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual discoveries that spark insights and ignite growth. Unlock your untapped leadership potential and capabilities. Explore new frontiers that take your life towards greater fulfillment and personal satisfaction. Most important of all, you will confidently claim your true identity and courageously shine as the leader you are meant to be. The first journey, the personal odyssey, is a journey of deep self-discovery because mastery of self is the only true mastery. Knowing who you are and where you want to go in life is the first giant step towards ultimate success and self-fulfillment. Knowing yourself and having the confidence to claim your true identity is the path to realizing greatness. Finding your true north is the purpose of your odyssey. The second journey, Walk with Lions. The Walk with Lions explores the intricacies of building and leading a team best suited to your unique personality, your values, your goals. You will experience firsthand how to motivate, inspire, strategize with, and lead a team of leaders. Coming to this second journey with the insights gained from your personal odyssey, you now have the power to lead others more effectively. The Walk with Lions is based on the principle that without an extraordinary team, you cannot do extraordinary things. Knowing who you are, who complements your capabilities and shares your values is the foundation of great leadership. The third journey is the ascent of the warrior. The ascent of the warrior focuses on the discipline of achieving the clarity necessary to inspire others with the desire and skill to get things done. Great warriors strategize, plan, and mobilize resources into a well-orchestrated and executable operation. Warriors ignite the imagination of their team with a vision of what they can achieve with confidence, skill, precision, and persistence to effectively execute the plan. There is nothing more powerful than a humble person with a warrior spirit who is driven by a bigger purpose. The fourth journey, the dance of the magician. The dance of the magician. This journey will change your life forever by opening wide the windows of undreamt possibilities for you. The focus will be on innovation, creativity, and the power of human imagination, spiritual resilience, and fully awakened consciousness to move the world. This journey is the final step in liberating your greatness. My mission is this. I awaken leaders to purposefully discern the best way forward with such clarity that they find within themselves the courage, wisdom, and compassion to do what they never dared to do before. Join me on the 4 journeys of a leader and let's go from Alpha to Omega together. Yes, now more than ever, we need to awaken leaders to liberate their greatness. Let's get started. Contact me if you would like to consider the next step in your leadership journey, or see your business EQ scores and the 8 emotions and behaviors that impact your leadership potential. I look forward to hearing from you and having a productive conversation. We are the International Consulting and Transformation Network, and we hope to be talking very